Hi. What's one thing that takes up most of your time? For us, it's work. Whether you love your job or dream of a better one, work is a huge part of our lives. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to describe a work-related topic for IELTS Speaking Part 2. I'll share some advanced tips like using adjectives and idioms to help you sound more natural and impress the examiner. Welcome to ESL Now. My name is Selly. In this lesson, we'll be talking about how to describe a work-related topic for IELTS Speaking Part 2. Are you ready? Let's dive in. In IELTS Speaking Part 2, you'll be given a cue card with a topic and some prompts. You have 1 minute to prepare and 1 to 2 minutes to speak. For this topic, the cue card will ask you to describe a work-related topic. It will give you 4 prompts to guide your answer. Number 1, what the work experience or job was. Number 2, where and when it happened. Number 3, what you did or learned from it. Number 4, why it was important or memorable. Your job is to answer all these prompts clearly and fluently. Let me show you how to do it step by step. To answer this question well, you need a clear structure. Here's how I recommend organizing your answer. First, introduction. Start by saying what the work-related topic is and why it's important. Number 2, where and when. Describe the place and time it happened. Number 3, what you did or learned. Talk about your role, tasks, or skills you gained. Number 4, why it was important. Explain why this experience was meaningful or memorable. Number 5, conclusion. Summarize your thoughts and what you hope for the future. Here's an example of how I would answer this question. One of the most rewarding work experiences I've ever had was my internship at a prestigious marketing firm. It was a fast-paced environment, but I learned so much in a short amount of time. I worked there during the summer of 2022, right after I graduated from university. The office was located in the heart of the city, and the atmosphere was always buzzing with energy. My main responsibility was to assist the marketing team with their campaigns. I had to wear many hats, from conducting market research to creating social media content. One of the most challenging tasks was presenting my ideas to the team, but it helped me build my confidence and improve my communication skills. This experience was important to me because it gave me the taste of the real world and taught me the value of teamwork and adaptability. I also realized that I thrive in dynamic environments where I can think on my feet. Looking back, I'm grateful for the opportunity because it set the stage for my career in marketing. It was a stepping stone that helped me land my current job. Notice how I used adjectives like rewarding, prestigious, and challenging to make my answer more descriptive. I also included idioms like wear many hearts, taste of the real world, and stepping stone. to sound more natural and fluent. Now, let's talk about how you can use these techniques in your answers. Here are some tips to make your answers stand out. Use adjectives. Adjectives make your answer more vivid and engaging. For example, instead of saying, "It was a good experience," say, "It was an incredibly rewarding experience." Instead of saying, "The job was hard," say, "The job was extremely demanding." Use idioms. Number 2, use idioms. Idioms make your answer sound more natural and fluent. For example, "I had to wear many hats" means you had many responsibilities. "It was a stepping stone" means it helped you move forward in your career. "I had to think on my feet" means you had to make quick decisions. Practice timing. Aim to speak for at least 1.5 minutes and include 2 to 3 adjectives and 1 to 2 idioms in your answers. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Number 1, speaking too short. Make sure you speak for at least 1.5 minutes. Number 2, overusing adjectives or idioms. Don't force them into your answer. Use them naturally. Number 3, repeating words. Use a variety of vocabulary. And number 4, poor pronunciation. Practice saying words clearly. Now it's your turn. Think about a work-related topic you care about and try answering the cue card using the structure and tips I shared. You can write it down first, then practice speaking. If you are feeling brave, record yourself and listen back to see how you can improve. Don't forget to share your answers in the comments. I would love to hear back from your work-related experiences. Now you know how to describe a work-related topic for IELTS Speaking Part 2. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more IELTS tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Shalom.